Hi guys, welcome back to Slime Attack. Today I'm going to be showing you slimes that I've made and showing you how they feel. So let's start off with this pink one I made for my sister. So it's got, the scent isn't that nice, but like there's like these little bubbles, and I added a few like Bengsu beads, and I also added this like lollipop charm in there, and yeah, and then I added also like these things, like I think they look like a bit like My Melody. It's like really nice to play with, and I would highly recommend making one of these. Oh yeah, it also has like this unicorn charm too. So yeah, I would give this probably an 8 out of 10 if I was going to review it. So now I'm going to show you some of my butter slimes. Ooh, so this is like scented lemon. It's like got a really strong scent, which I like. It's got like this orange sort of charm. It's like really good for stretching. It's like really nice. I would recommend getting the slime kit that I got this. Oh yeah, everything that I made today in the slime kits and like the Bengsu beads and the fake snow that I got, I'll put in the description below. I got it all from Amazon, so the links would take you to Amazon. This is like the best smell I've got so far. It's a bit rippable, but like there's a slow stretch to it, so yeah, so let's move on to our other slime. So I'm just going to stick the orange back there, even though it's a lemon scented slime. It was one of the only charms I had. So now I've got this pink one, like no scent. It says on the thing it's Oreo scented, but it doesn't seem that scented. Like what I like about it is there's this pink Oreo charm in it with like pink things inside, and it has like little Oreo crumbles in there, but not real Oreos, just fake glitter or black and white things. So yeah, sometimes like the little dots fall out, but rarely like the coloured dots. Normally when you're playing with them, they fall out. So yeah. So this, I would give it a 7 out of 10. Oh yeah, I forgot to rate the lemon one. This lemon one, I'm going to rate it an 8 out of 10. Okay, so it's moving on to another one. Oh, this says that these are the same ones but just different colours. So it might just have like different things. Oh yeah, it's got like this Oreo with that stuff there. So out quickly. The smell is literally the same, so I'm going to put the Oreo. What I liked about the other one is, let me just get the charm out, is that it had, when you looked at the charm, it had the middle of it, but with this one, it's just flat. That's not slime, PS. It's just flat, so you can look at that difference between those ones. So, yeah, let's put that back in. Keep it. So back to this one. So it's kind of like the same, but it's a bit slower stretch, and the charm falls out a lot, and the dots fall out really easily. So I have to keep stamping it everywhere to collect the dots back up because they keep falling out. So yeah. So yeah, this one probably another 7 out of 10. Scent isn't that nice, the stretch isn't that nice, the charm could use a bit of improving. And yeah, so let's go on to another butter slime that we've got. Same one but just different colour. Look, it presents us with a charm. Like, why is it only this one that doesn't have the charm like everyone else? Because I find it that it's got like, painted it with like care, and I really like it with this one. So let's take it out. I think like they're all like Oreo things. Ooh, this thing, the things aren't popping out that much. Like, there's only 1 or 2 popped out so far. Stretch isn't a slow stretch like the last ones. So, really like that. And yeah, so I would probably give this one 8 out of 10. So those slimes there. Now I have another one. Ooh, this says leaf fluff slime. So a different one. Oh yeah, I added Bengsu beads to this one, which was quite nice. So just it's got like a different texture, but it doesn't come with the Bengsu beads. I just had the Bengsu beads lying around just lying around, and I just put them in. Like I had this fake snow lying around, so I put that in, not any of the butter slimes, but the other slimes that we'll talk about. And yeah. But I do not recommend, this was just a trial, adding Bengsu in a butter slime, but I would not recommend it. Oh, it came with like this leaf green charm, if you can see. So, yeah, a bit like the Oreo one. Same scent. The only thing different is I added these Bengsu beads in. So, yeah, let's move on to, oh yeah, this another 7 out of 10. Ooh, this is like my favourite butter slime that we've got, second last. It's this one, and it came with this Starbucks coffee one. It's scented like coffee, so that's really nice. I really like it. I added some golden Bengsu beads in. So got a really fast stretch. But for this one, I only added like 5 or 10 Bengsu beads in. Not that much, but for this one, I added quite a few. But they still do fall out. All of this is just like falling out of the butter slime when I stretch it. So, yeah. I really like the Starbucks coffee charm of how much detail they put into that. So, that's another thing that I like about it. So, let's move on to our next thing. This, another 8 out of 10. See if we'll have any more that will improve our tastings today. Okay. Okay. So we have this watermelon fluff slime. It calls itself. It's so funny. It just takes itself out with the lid. Yeah. Unusual scent. A slow stretch. Quite rippy. This 5 out of 10. Like, it's not my favourite. Like, I would not recommend it. Like, everything keeps falling out of it, and it takes a long time for it to stick back together. So yeah, definitely this a 5 out of 10. But they all come in packs, so like all of these things, I'll share it in the description below. It's got like they all come in packs, so it's kind of worth getting the packs. So then just before, I got this from Sainsbury's before the Halloween, like in the Halloween section, it was like £2 or something. It's a slow stretch at the start, but it creates like a really nice texture at the end. So like, I don't know how to explain the texture. It's kind of like a jelly a bit. So yeah. This 9 out of 10. It's not that stretchy at the start, because like I think I recommend like taking a bit out and then a bit. So now we moved on from butter slimes. Now we're going into these slimes. The slimes that I'm going to be showing now were all in a pack. This was not in any pack, but all of these were in a pack. So like I'll show you at the end which ones were in a pack together. Okay, just open this lid. These are the pots that they provided because it says butter slime there, but these ones are my pots because they didn't fit in the pots, so I recommend like having some pots that you might, because if you add like Bengsu and that's the thing that will like. So here I've got this green Bengsu one, really nice smell, got green Bengsu beads in it, this bear. It's not hard charm, it's just like it moves. So this slime kit I really enjoyed, but the Bengsu and the snow, it wasn't part of it, but it came with everything else except the Bengsu and the snow. but it didn't come with any activator, so if it's sticky, it's sticky. So you might want to buy your own activator too, but none of these I've had to activate. The only sticky one I'm going to do like for flour, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do about that. So yeah, this one, 9 out of 10. Scent's really nice. Everything about it is just nice. So yeah, 9 out of 10 for this one. This now, we have this transparent Bengsu snow slime. Really nice, like it. When it came, it was just a see-through slime, and on the pot it said unicorn thing. And I wanted to go outside of the box, and I really enjoyed going outside of the box and not creating what it said what to do. Like, it didn't come with any things, but like it kind of gave you an idea of what you could make. But I just went outside of the box, used my own materials, had some fun, and I made this. This 9.4, I think. So yeah, now we've got this green jelly cube one. The pot's a bit broken, so we'll fix that up. So like, it's like got this frog thing there. It's really, I really like it. Like, yeah, so stretchy. It's got these jelly cubes the jelly cubes aren't mine. They provided the jelly cubes, so yeah. So I really like it, and this is how it's going. So this, I would give it a 9 out of 10. Got some nice cracks, but yeah. So yeah, this one's good. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is like a lemon one. Clear, just has a lion and some lemon charms in it. A yellow slime. Scent could have been a bit improved, but as you might know, I don't have any scent, so I can't change the scent because sometimes I feel different scents every day. So maybe I will like a scent another day. Who knows? So yeah, this is how this is going. So yeah, so like really nice, really like it, and got really nice texture. I would give this like a 9 out of 10, probably. Yeah, no, 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, 8.5 out of 10. Getting into my decimals now. This is just meant to be a slime bin. Ooh, so this one has not as many jelly cubes as all of the other ones, but has like one, two jelly cubes with some Easter eggs, some bunnies, that stuff. Woo! Really stretchy, like it. It's a really nice slime, and yeah, it's like, you might not see in camera, but it's not golden. It's like yellowish, but kind of when you play with it a bit, it's kind of turns a bit orange, I think. I don't remember what kind of color it came with. So yeah, this 8 out of 10. Ooh, so now we have this purple slime. Looks like with just some avocado looking things with glasses. Scent, I would give it a 10 out of 10. The scent is so nice. I don't know what it smells like, but like the colour, some reason I'm liking the colour because like, I don't know if you can see, I've played with this for a long time, so the colour has kind of changed into a really nice purple. As you might know, purple isn't my favourite colour, but as I've played with this for a long time, it's kind of changed the colour, and it's kind of improved the colour, and it's not pure purple. It's like getting better. I would recommend it. So that's that one. 10 out of 10 for that one. I love this slime. This is the go-to slime that I would do, like school trips, any of that stuff. Bring this slime. Now, I think this is a butter slime. butter slime with Bengsu. Oh yeah, we already did that. I think I got like 2 of those, so like it's the same. Oh, this pink one with, I think like there's some just beads in it. Scent, 5 out of 10. Bit sticky. The cracks are good though. The cracks are good. A bit sticky. It keeps your hands moving a lot though. So yeah. And yeah, it's got this thing, charming. I don't know what it is, like an apple. So this, well, I would give it probably 6 out of 10. Not the best. There are better slimes. Only got 4 more slimes to go now. Okay, so this was the slime that I was talking about that was pretty sticky with. So, scent, 5. Stickiness, it's sticky. It doesn't stick to your hands, it's just like when you keep it into one hand, it starts sticking, like the glue starts sticking, but none of it sticks to you. It just don't like the feeling because it just keeps your hands jiggling when you're trying to just play with the slime, and then you have to like do that all the time, most of the time, and like it sometimes rips, and then it's just going so fast. So this, 5 out of 10. But so sticky. Don't know what I would do with this. Probably add some more activator. Comment down below if you think I should activate it or anything else. Just comment that down below. Okie dokie. Now I've got this pink one. I don't know what taste smells like, but scent, probably a 5. It kind of reminds me of the dentist a bit. Watermelon charms with some sprinkles. Nice texture. You can keep it in one hand and it just doesn't stick. What I like about these slimes is like I can take it on a school trip and I can keep it on my bag and it won't stick to my bag. Like literally, I can like do an example on something like this squishmallow here I've got. Stick it on there, like literally. Put so much pressure. There is no slime being left behind. That's the same with all of these slimes. And look, the slime is perfectly fine. Like literally. So yeah. So that's that one done. That decent 8 out of 10. Okay, I only got 2 more left. Okie dokie, this is like this blue jelly cube one. Scent, love it. It's kind of like the purple scent that we got, like the one that I think like tasted a bit like grapefruit. I didn't taste it, it just smelled a bit like it. Smells so nice. Oh my god, did you hear that crack? These cracks of these are so good. Like I even like it because there's like so many jelly cubes in it. It's like it's got like this really nice things in it. So yeah, really like that. So yeah, this 9.5 out of 10. Definitely recommend it. Now to our last slime. Yeah, no, not Bengsu. No, just no charms. Oh yeah, only one charm. A watermelon charm. Bit sticky. Pretty boring. Just got some snow in it. I would overall give this 6 out of 10. So now for you, I'm going to put them in groupings so you know which came with which slime kit. So all of these ones, put them in piles. So these ones were all one slime kit. These ones, all one slime kit. This one, but this pot was mine, but it was a slime inside. This was just from Sainsbury's. Yeah, like these kind of. This one I would probably put in a pot. Let me just show you like one of the boxes it came with. So like one of these came with like this slime kit box. It came with like one of these like charms and this thing there. So yeah, let me just, whilst we're here, let me replace the lid of the broken one. So, comment in the description below. There is going to be the links for what I've bought everything. So like the slime kits, the Bengsu, the snow, the activator I use. And I'll put that in every description. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye guys.